Hi, my name is Christian Ricariet. I'm Senior Director of Product and Strategic Marketing at Lumentum. Today I'm at OFC 2026 in Los Angeles, where we're showcasing a variety of our leading-edge products. In this case, we're showing an NVIDIA 1.6T 2xDR4 OSFP transceiver, which uses our Lumentum 200G EMLs as the light source. We are showing the NVIDIA 1.6T module in an NVIDIA evaluation platform and GUI. The NVIDIA GUI displays the bit error rate measurement for all 8 channels, and it's demonstrating significant margins to the prefec IEEE specification. Our 200G EMLs are in production. They're available in 4 different CWDM wavelengths and are being built and based on our high-volume EML that has shipped a very high-volume EMLs for many years. For more information on these and other Lumentum products, please go to lumentum.com. Thank you.